Today we are going to be doing a pond pump install. If you guys saw one of my previous videos here, showed you a little bit about this backyard pond that we put in. Still in progress. It's going to get a lot better as we go on here, but finally got a little filter and pond pump here. So first thing we've got to do is just line up the little pump with the casing up above. Then we add in the bio balls that come with this thing. So basically these, the job of these is to collect bacteria, microorganisms, in order to filter that water out even further than the media filters that you see there on the top of this canister unit. So snapping that all back together. It comes with a couple of different spouts on it as well. Link to this is in the description below, of course, as always. I'm going to just go ahead and try this longer double-topped one just to kind of see what it gives us here. I'm not sure how much pressure this thing is going to put off. It's also got a couple of attachments where you can run like other exterior fountains off of the same feed. So you can run like another 3/8 hose off to a fountain feature or something like that. So we're just going to get this thing submerged and then plug it in, see how it works here. Just for now, have a little extension cord running over in the backyard to this little pond area. In the future, might do more permanent stuff. Plugged it in, and as you can tell, it's a little bit too much for our actual pond size. So we are going to use that one. We're going to use this little bubbler effect. This was my favorite one as a kid anyways that we had in our little pond feature. So love it. As you can see, we've got this thing planted with a couple of different varieties of plants right now. They're all perennials. Of course, I'll be adding in some annual bulbs and stuff like that, but it's coming along here. So it's just a little process that I've been taking to put this thing together step by step, just like everything else here in the backyard, kind of just adding on as time goes. But it's going to be a cool little feature, especially once we add rocks and stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching.